Hey guys, welcome back to our next video. Back in the kitchen again, guys, and today I'm just making a simple dinner, Jamaican dinner recipe, and just making some ackee and saltfish with some ground produce, and I just cooking what I can get. So this is what I find in Colorado. Find some sweet potato, some pumpkin, and some sweet plantain. Okay, so what I'm doing, I just throw some vinegar in the water and I go soak the produce for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. You can soak your own whenever, whichever time you want to soak them, but it's good to soak them before you cook them. Like, you just cut out some of the starch out of them. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just preparing my dumpling. And my dumpling, I'm gonna put some cornmeal and some salt and just need my flour. And yeah, this is how I prepare my Jamaican ackee and saltfish with my ground produce. And yeah, this is what I find in Colorado. Yeah, so enjoy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comment, and tell me what you like about this, or I cook this ackee and saltfish and my dumpling and my produce. Okay, guys, big up on yourself, guys, and if you're new, please subscribe and share and follow me. Okay, big up on yourself, guys. Enjoy. This is some fish. You study them?
Yeah, you have to study. You have to study your enemy.
Yes.
You have to study your enemy. And in my son, man, you have to study your enemy. Have a list.
So may I do it now? So that's the same on doing it now? Do it different?
Oh yeah. And all that.
From there on, I never used to, I do what I want to do, start using names, but now they're happy. So they have me, I get them, with me with that, them against me with that, you understand? Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy this Jamaican dish, Jamaican national dish. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Comment and tell me if you tried and how was it. And yeah, welcome to the channel. If you're new and if you're here a long time, thank you for being here with me. I've been on YouTube for a while now, so yeah, thank you very much, and God bless. Goodbye. Bye.